My name is Harshul Agarwal and today I am going to speak upon the topic AI, Artificial Intelligence, a step towards the India into a developed country. So basically I will be speaking in the favor of this topic. So what is AI? AI is the full form of the AI is Artificial Intelligence, means controlling the things by artificially, not by the humans, by the machines or by the algorithms and the codes which we are doing. So basically it's have a lot of benefits because it's quite advanced and it has like benefits. I will categorize the benefits. First benefit is an business efficiency. Like in the previous years, we used to do the business, like in the past few years, we used to do the business offline. Like we does the network marketing. No, we used to market and sell the products door to door. Now there is an advanced system like we can use on internet. We can post the images like Amazon, Snapdeal. There are lots of things which can be the best example of this AI in the business efficiency. Now second, like we are like I have in the industry, okay, and I am developing a product. Now there must be a chances if I am using the humans, there can have the errors. There are some random errors which can happen. But if I am using AI, then I can code the errors in very reduced. Means like I want 0.1 mm. So if I am using the human, there might be chances that 0.01 mm might be 0.015 mm. But if I am coding that and just giving the command to AI to accurately does the 0.01, so that AI will read the command and will work according to it. It will not create an error because there might be error only when if there is a system error. If system maintenance or system is getting error, only then AI might have get the error. Otherwise, it will be not having the errors. Now, the third condition, the third benefit is the repetitive tasks. Like we are the humans, if we do the repetitive task again and again and again, we quite get bored and we quite might get the energy very less. Energy reduces very much. So if we are using AI, using robots in automation, then we can do the repetitive task very efficiently and very fastly as well. Because AI will not like we feel the energy loss and reduction of loss. It will not feel. It will be just need the charging. Like our system needs the charging point. That's it. Only that is enough for it. And the third benefits, AI can also help us in solving the complicated problems. Like there are many complicated problems happens, so we can't get the solution in a seconds. But if we are using AI, then definitely we can get the solutions in seconds. For example, suppose I am walking on the road and I want to find a hotel and I don't know the location, and because that I have come that to area first time. So what can I do? I will ask the people and people will say, okay fine, you can take that route, okay fine, you can go there, you can take 10 minutes, you can go on that way. But I want the accurate, so this might get be wastage of my time. So what can I do? We have the solution Google Maps. We can use the Google Maps and we can know the exact location and exact time limit that yes, I will be needed this much time to reach to that location. If I want to have the reduction of the traffic, I do not want to involve in the traffic issue, then there might be routes, because Google Maps can show every types of routes. Okay, so there is a benefit because AI, Google Maps is also a kind of AI. Now, the another benefit is then communication. Like it's AI can help us in communicating. Suppose like right now I am making the video from my phone. So this phone is completely based on AI. If I want to make a video without this Android phone, if I want to make the video with the normal phone, or if I am not having the phone, then definitely I have to find a camera or any another solution. Like in previous years, we have the telephones, we have the wire phones in which there are optical fibers. So that was not quite advanced, but now the upcoming phones in today's modern world, they are quite advanced and full of AI, and they are helping us and enhancing our knowledge so much. Like in previous year, we or maybe as there was not internet in 2005, I guess, or 2006 up in India. So we can't able to connect with the audiences, or we can't able to connect with the peoples which are not in outside the India, because to connect outside the India we might need their numbers. But now we have social media and AI, so this can help us in connecting and communicating with them. Suppose if we have business idea, then definitely we can do video call from the Android phone, like it is also based on AI now, so that can help us in communicating. So suppose right now we are in COVID situation, so we can't do the handshake because it might spread the virus. So we are using our phones, or we are using the video call platform, we are using the Google platform, so it is an AI. So you can understand that how much beneficial is right now. We do not need to like do handshake. We can just talk with each other from any far distance. Like if we are very far from the places, some people are 100 kilometers away from their home, so they can communicate via their phone, just doing the missed call or video call to their family. They can communicate with them, and it create a kind of a connection in between them. So AI creates a kind of connection in between the peoples as well, and it is also is enhancing the experiences as well. Like there are many social media apps, or there are many apps on Play Store in which we can communicate, we can understand our personality, because in today's world we are we are interconnected with the family, but we are not interconnected with ourselves. We used to do the meditation or yoga, so we don't know the exact formation that how we have to do the yoga, or how we have to do the meditation, or which is the balanced diet, which is the right way to eat the food. So we can use the YouTube, like YouTube, Google, and etc. things. From there we can find lots and lots of videos and information. And also AI can help us in enhancing our knowledge, plus making us our own advancement. Like we can make us more advancement. Suppose I am an inventor, okay, and I have an idea and I have to find the details of it. If I am using the book, then definitely I will take a lot of time to find the details of that idea or that precision. But if I am using the Google, if I am using an AI based Google platform or many other platform, so basically I would able to discover more. Suppose book is fixed, like there is a quote, like we are going from point A to B is the norm. But if we want to go from A to infinity, then definitely that can boost us more, because in Google there are lots and lots of knowledge, and also we could able to understand that whether the idea which is coming in my mind has been already applicable, means already developed by any other person or not, or it is applicable or it is not applicable, or it is in the imagination or in the future. So this decision we can take the help of in this. And the most and best benefit of AI is the in medical advances. Suppose we are driving a vehicle, okay, and suddenly we I don't want to that happen. Suppose if accidents happens, okay, and we call the emergency number 100 Suppose if we don't have this number, or our phone battery is low, and there are no one, like we are in a lonely place. So what can we do? If we have an AI based holder or AI based bag, which is a kind of a patent idea, AI based bag, then definitely it is a kind of futuristic idea, but that can repair the man like by reatomizing its molecules, the places, like we have the platelets, so we can reatomize them by the help of that bag. So basically that bag is a completely AI based, so it will be command, like we can talk now. Like we have also one of the best example is Google and Alexa. Like suppose we are sleeping and we are getting bored, so we can talk to Alexa, Google Assistant, and that can create an kind of a time pass as well, and many other benefits as well, because AI is a cost effective but very eco-friendly. It has not any benefits or any hazards on environment. But the issue with the AI is only that suppose we are using an AI in a room, We need an Wi-Fi connectivity only and only when if we are using a software-based AI. If we are developing a hardware-based AI, then this issue might get reduces, because right now we have up to this much internet that we can work up till 8 hours and 10 hours. If we are developing an AI, like there are many apps, smart lights, in which we can just switch on by the mobile phone and all lights get switched off, because they are kind of an app software based AI. Okay, hardware based AI can be robots. And the first I gonna share my one experience. Like firstly, I come to know about the AI and idea upon the AI when I watched the Iron Man movie, and the second one was the robot movie, which inspired me more about knowing the AI. So you can, I know that everyone has watched that movie, so you can understand that how much AI can benefit us, how much AI can help us in a very cost effective and beneficial way. So that's it from my side. Thank you.